What's up, folks? I'm Trent and you're tuned into the infamous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Let's get right down into it. I got something very important I want to tell you guys. It's going to catapult you to the next level. I know this is what you've been waiting for. These are the answers right here. I need you to listen close. If you got people around you jumping up and down, if the kids making noise, if you got extra sounds around you, I'm gonna need for you to turn that off. Stop doing what you're doing. I'm gonna need you to tune into this video, because not only are you gonna need the words and the message, but you're gonna need this energy that I'm sending you, that I'm getting from the universe. I'm gonna have to transfer this energy to you so it can be installed into you, so that you can go forward and create the abundance and the things that you would like to manifest. Okay, so let's get right down into it, folks. The secret to magically manifest and attract anything fast using mind power. Your mind is the key to attracting anything that you want to attract to you. I told some of you all in my super chat live video last night, which I do every single Saturday at 8 o'clock. I told you, I said, listen, the universe is like water, folks. You ever heard that Bruce Lee statement? The universe is like water. It's a magical, creative place. Notice how you can plan your day out, right? And you can go about trying to, commit those actions and those scheduled plans or whatever the case may be. But it never goes perfectly exactly how you want it to go. Why? Because you don't get to plan what the weather is going to be like. You don't get to plan what the traffic is going to be like. You don't get to plan if there's going to be a traffic accident. You don't get to plan if the police is going to pull you over and get a ticket. You don't get to plan how fast you get out the house because you forgot your keys or your car keys or whatever the case may be. You don't get to plan none of this stuff. You just plan what you're going to do. And you're going to try to do it to the best of your ability based on the circumstances that the universe gives you. Don't you realize that? We think we planning something, but we not planning nothing. The universe is doing all the planning, and we just going around the ways of the universe. Don't you realize that? So the key to attracting anything you want in your life is in your very own mind power, because once again, the universe is like water. You have to take on the perception. You have to adopt the notion, which I'm telling you right now, is that this out here is created by this in here. Remember that, folks. That is what a lot of people do not realize, and that's why they live their life and they're always running into obstacles, running over speed bumps, their car getting scraped up because they moving too fast and all that stuff. So keep in mind that as long as you focus this in the right direction for whatever it is that you want to find, you will find dollars. You'll find pennies. If you want to find pennies, you'll find pennies. You'll see pennies everywhere you start thinking about pennies. If you want to create gold, something that you want to attract, focus on it. Reopen the magazine. Look at pictures about it. Call people. Get information on it. Dig up articles about it. Focus your energy. That's why I told you, focus on me. Focus your energy. We have to learn to cut off the chatter from the outside world to get what it is we desire. We cannot attract and manifest what it is that we want into our life if we're always giving out our energies to too many things at once. If you do consultations with me, which I highly suggest you to do, which is just at the very bottom in the description section, the first link you can click. Very cheap consultations. I highly advise you to talk to me. So what I always tell people is this. Okay, you want this thing that you want to attract, but how much are you giving it your energy? Are you giving your focus, your grand ultimate energy, your beam of light, your third eye projecting to me right now? Are you giving that all your energy, or are you like giving your energy out to other people? Oh, let me mess with them over here, associate with them over here, but they're not doing nothing for you. Oh, let me go over here to make them feel good because they need my presence. Oh, you're giving out energy. You give it out. Focus and direct that energy. And sometimes you might feel like a hermit. Sometimes you might feel isolated. Sometimes you might feel like you really want to get out and do some things, but you have to keep in mind, if you want the thing that you want, you have to take that time out to give it your ultimate grand focus. This is very important, folks. And if you want to attract something into your life very, very fast, you have to keep in mind that it's going to come by the means of feeling Life is a feeling process. You can say that you want this, you want that, I want this, I want. You hear it all the time. People say, when I get this, when I hit the lotto, when I win $1 million, when I get this, and I did that, I want that new Tesla. Ooh, girl, did you see that Tesla went out in space today? Ooh, I want that Tesla. It's hot though. You know, people always a big talk. Don't you know that people just talk about what they gonna do, but they don't never do it? You know why they don't never do it though, right? It's not that they don't want to do it. It's just that they don't have the feeling that they should be able to, that they are able to possess what it is that they want. Notice that. Notice when people say they want this, they want that, they want this. Ask yourself, when they saying these things, ask yourself, are they feeling this or are they just saying this? See, it's a difference between you and them. You're a person who knows that feeling is the ultimate vibration that you send out into the universe. You're feeling. So if something goes wrong, for instance, say something just goes wrong, you know, you don't think that it's gonna happen, you know, you don't think that it's gonna come. That's your lower self, your lower consciousness. That's your ego. That's like other people. You start to think like other people. Always listen to the part of you that say, you know what, no matter what happened, I'm the victor. No matter what happened, I'm gonna get it. I don't care what it looked like right now. I know the universe is formless. It's like water. It forms to my knowledge. It forms to the way you focus your thoughts. If you believe what it is that you're going to receive, you're going to receive it. You're going to receive it. Forget if everybody want to leave you and everybody don't want to, you know, act like they know that you're going to get it. Whatever the case may be. Whatever. Forget them. You're going to get it. Continue to stand firm. Continue to stand solid. You know, one thing I like to say is that, you know, when it storms and when it rains and when the wind blows, that big tall oak tree out there, it might move to the left, it might move to the right, but it's still there the next morning after that storm has passed, getting that good sunshine coming in, all the leaves on it be blooming and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's still there. Year after year after year after year, and then on down the line, somebody kids say, "Look, man, that's a big tree right there. That's a big tree." And the older adult says, "Yeah, that tree been there for some years. That tree was there when I was little." That tree more stronger than some people out here. A tree is more stronger than people, because you know what people tend to do when they don't see the things manifesting coming into their life? They run, they give up, they doubt. You know what I mean? They fall down. You know, they give up. They act like it ain't gonna happen. They don't believe in themselves enough. So what I'm telling you is, look, I've seen it many times, folks, and I'm gonna let you go. What I'm telling you is, anytime you want to manifest and attract anything into your life super fast, you can magically attract it into your life, and it'll come just before you don't even know it. It'll come. Continuously believe, even though you do not see it yet. That's the trick. So you're going to feel all this pressure, you're going to feel all this negative energy, you're going to feel everything going against you as to why you're not getting it. You're going to feel broke, you might not have the money, you might feel like you're going to get put out, whatever the case may be. You might feel like your girlfriend is going to leave you. You know, you might feel like your relationship is breaking up, your marriage is not going to go good. But I guarantee you, if you continue to believe that you're going to get that car, you're going to get that car. You'll notice it's starting to pop up in your reality. That's signs that you're going to receive it. That's signs of the universe telling you, you know what, you're going to get that. You're going to get that Range Rover. You know what, you're going to get that Ferrari that you just seen. You see that Ferrari that you see all these nice cars that you keep looking at? That's because I'm watching your thoughts. I am the universe. I know what you want, and you're on the right track. I see what you want. I'm going to show you more of what you want so you can continuously have faith and believing that I'm going to give it to you, because I'm definitely going to give it to you. Just give me a thumbs up, folks. Just give me a thumbs up to let me know this video resonated with you. By the way, speak up, let your voice be heard, and let me know how this message affected you at the bottom. Trust me, some things that you want to manifest take a little more time than little small things. I mean, you want to manifest a pencil. I mean, you just want to manifest a pencil so bad, you're going to get that pencil today. You know what I mean? If you want to manifest a new shirt or something because you don't have new clothes right now, you don't have no money to buy new clothes, you know, you're going to find somebody to come around and be like, hey, do you want this shirt on my back? I don't like it. You're going to be like, what? I was just thinking about that shirt. You want to give me the shirt off your back like that? Okay. You know what I mean? You can manifest little things, but folks, bigger things that cost more money take a little bit more time than little small things, okay? So this takes a higher level of belief. This takes a longer time to manifest. The bigger your manifestation is, the longer it's really gonna take. It's not like the universe don't hear what you're saying. The universe hears what you're saying, and the universe is manifesting whatever it is, the thing that you want. It just takes the universe a little bit more time to weave things in like that, because it has to work around people, situations, circumstances. It has to find the money for you. It has to subtract the money from them, bring the money over here, get the money to this point, get the money to this point, all to get in your hands over a long course of time. This is like a process. The universe is magic, but sometimes with bigger things, it takes a longer time for those things to actually manifest, folks. But it's manifesting as we speak right now, that thing that you want. So, wow, this has been powerful, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned. I feel it, guys. I feel that you are very, very in tune with what it is that you're trying to attract. Remember, stay focused. Do not take your eye off the prize, folks. I'm Trent Henderson of the infamous Live Network. Divine powers are working for you because you're trying to do right. I'll see you in the next video, folks. Peace.